guys, Chris Bruce here, and guess what? I am so excited because today, 10 years ago, I made the decision to walk out of my job without even giving a 2-week notice. Why? Because of real estate investing. See, I started my real estate business back in 2009 during the heart of the recession. When many people were scared, that's actually when I got my start in the business, flipping bank-owned properties. And a year later, I was able to walk out of my corporate job making $12 an hour to being able to do this full time. And I'm so blessed. But the thing is, I'm shooting this video because I want to talk about an upcoming class I am having today at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to show you how to get started flipping properties sight unseen virtually without even leaving your home. I'm also going to show you how to do this without having to meet sellers or buyers in person. And you don't need a real estate license, you don't need the credit, and if you don't have any experience with real estate, it doesn't even matter. So look, there's a link in my bio. I want you to click that, register right now, and I'm giving away money. All right, somebody tonight is going to be a lucky winner of $1,000. So what I want you to do, go ahead and do is click the link in my bio, get one of those last spots, and I will see you tonight on the web class.